Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450 and today I will tell you what to do if your laptop doesn't want to turn on. So the most common reasons for laptops not turning on is them being discharged. So please make sure that your laptop is charged, connect it to the charging cable and wait for about half an hour before turning it on. If you're not sure how to turn on your tablet, all you have to do for that is slightly press the power button, which is located in the left upper corner of your device. Sometimes you might also want to hold it down for about 5 seconds before it starts turning on. And if it doesn't turn on, then also make sure that you haven't exposed your device to extremely cold or hot temperatures for a significant period of time, because if you did, then it might take a little longer for your laptop to switch on. You might also want to wait for about several hours, or maybe up to even 12 hours, depending on how hot or cold the temperature was that your laptop was exposed to. And also check if your charging cable is properly connected to your AC adapter. Check if your AC adapter is properly connected into the socket, and also check your AC adapter. It is preferably that you use the original one, which looks like this. This is the original HP 45 watt AC adapter, and if you can't get access to an original one, then please make sure that you're using a different one, just with the same power capacity of 45 megawatts, and make sure that it's from a trustworthy trustworthy company, because if it's not a legitimate AC adapter, it might also break your PC, and I don't think that you want this to happen. And if you tried everything I mentioned in this video and your laptop still doesn't want to turn on even after hours, then please contact the service center of HP, the nearest service center of HP, and let them know about your issue, and they will most likely help you solve this problem. For me, I think I mentioned all I wanted in this video, so if you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leaving us a like and a comment below. See you next time.